Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix error 526 in Cloudflare now. If you're seeing error 526, it usually means there's an SSL issue between Cloudflare and your origin server. In this walkthrough, we'll adjust the SL setting inside Cloudflare and then clear the cache so the change can take effect cleanly. This is a simple process, and I'll walk you through it carefully so it's easy to follow. Start by opening your Cloudflare account home in your browser. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard where your websites are listed. From there, click on the sample domain you want to work on. This takes you into that domain's settings, where you can manage security, performance, and other Cloudflare features for that site. Next, look for the SSL TLS section in the domain menu and click on it. This is where Cloudflare's encryption settings are managed. When the page opens, make sure you're on the Overview tab. If you're not already there, click Overview now. On the Overview page, find the Configure option and click it. This opens the area where you can change the SSL mode used by Cloudflare for the selected domain. Now look for the Flexible option and select it. This setting tells Cloudflare to use HTTPS for visitors connecting to Cloudflare, while allowing Cloudflare to connect to the origin server without requiring the same strict certificate validation. In some cases, this can help work around error 526 when the origin certificate is invalid or not properly configured. After selecting Flexible, click Save to apply the change. Give it a moment to update. It's always a good idea to wait a few seconds after saving any SSL-related setting, just to make sure the dashboard fully processes the update. Once that's done, scroll down in the left side navigation menu until you find Caching, then click on it. Inside the Caching section, click Configuration. This page contains cache management options for your domain. Now find the Purge Everything button and click it. Purging the cache ensures Cloudflare serves fresh content and doesn't continue using older cached responses that may still be tied to the previous SSL configuration. After the purge completes, test your website again and check whether the error 526 message is gone. If it is, the update was successful. And that's how to fix error 526 in Cloudflare using the dashboard settings and a full cache purge.